Hello students, this video is for class 8 crop production and management part 2. In this video we will discuss preparation of soil. This word preparation is always needed to do anything in a proper way. Like before the examination we prepare ourselves in a very proper way so that we can score well in the examination. And as we know, if we are not well prepared for the examination, we will not be able to score well in the examination. So for the proper cultivation of crop, for the better productivity, we need to prepare soil before the cultivation. Now this is first step of crop cultivation involve turning up soil to loosen it. Now what is importance of turning soil? Turning and loosening of soil bring the nutrient rich soil to the top so that plant can utilize these nutrients. Like let us suppose this is paddy plant and this is what your field. Let us suppose this layer of soil is already used up in the previous season. Then now in this season what these plants will do, they will not get. So what we do in the preparation of soil, we brings this layer of soil to the top so that they can use nutrient. Now another importance of loosening soil, it helps in the growth of earthworm and microbes. They are very essential for the crop because these microbes decompose organic things into inorganic things, and those inorganic things are used in the form of nutrients by the plant. And these earthworms makes burrows that makes field airy so that plant can easily breathe, and also they can penetrate deep into the soil. Like their root, if this is airy and fluffy, if the soil is fluffy and airy, the roots of the plants can grow deep inside the soil and they will be able to breathe easily, like this. Okay, not only this, farmer also add humus for the preparation of soil, and humus contain lots of nutrient which are used by plants. Now in order to prepare soil, they plough their field. Now what is plowing? Plowing is the process of turning soil and loosening is called plowing. There is another word for the plowing, that is tilling. Tilling is also, you can say, synonym of plowing. So they plow their field just to make it loose. Now this is done by different agricultural implement like plow, one more, hoe and tractor. We will discuss these agricultural implement one by one. So let's begin with plow. What is plow? So it is made up of iron and wood, which one end has a sharp triangular strip that till the soil or dig the soil, which another end is contain a handle, and the middle is connected, or you can say attached, with a long lodge of wood which has a beam, and this beam is kept on the neck of the animals like bull, pair of bull, ox, and other animals like horses, camel. Means you can say plow is driven by animals. So this is what plow. You can also note down, this is what plowshare, plowshare, and this is plow shaft. This long lodge of wood is called plow shaft, and this is what handle. So this is what plow. It is used to till the soil. Now another agricultural implement is hoe. For this, in Hindi we say kudal. You might have seen at your home, it has a long rod of wood and has a bent plate, broad plate of iron. It is used to remove weeds, or you can say also use it to lose soil. Now another agricultural implement is tractor, which is very famous nowadays, and nowadays plowing is done by tractor only, because do you know, it saves labor and time. It can plow a very large area in short time. So this is how farmer plow their field and they prepare. But after plowing with these implement, some big pieces of soil are there in the field in the form of ball, that we say. Now these should not be there in the field for the better productivity. So we break them. With the help of plank, or you can break it with hand also, but for the large area we have to use plank. These big pieces of soil are known as crumbs. So these should not be there in the field. Now homework for today, you can learn and write definition of preparation of soil and what practices are done by the farmer to prepare soil. You can note down, you can write a note about it of 1 page. Thank you, have a nice day. I'm sorry, one more homework for you. As we all know, preparation of soil is very necessary. So I just want to give you a homework, a practical homework. You can go into garden and just see whether the soil near the plant is loosened or not. You will find it is very tough if it is not loosened recently. So go and just see. If it is not loosened, you just take a hoe and lose the soil. That will be beneficial for your plant. Thank you, have a nice day.